Nakoro mgojongo kwa dhinyi megi weche manyien mag Migago. Eni jopuonj mag junior secondary e county ma Samburu. Obuogo mar bago ng'anyo kochakore dwe manyiena. Kendo rocho chenro mag yawo sikunde e tam manyiena. Jopuonj go bende okwayo ni omedgi osara kaachiel gi loso lwasi makare mar tich.
Recently, the commission has said that they are going to extend the contract for another 1 year. And we are here to declare that we are against that intention by the Commission. And we want to state very categorically, this contract was non-renewable and it should not be renewed. We have become liabilities to our loved ones because we cannot feed them, we cannot even help them. The salaries that we are earning cannot even sustain us for a week, bearing in mind the kind of economy that we have at the moment. So we want to ask the government to reconsider the amount of salaries. Actually, even other departments of government pay interns better than TSC 100 times.
The situations are frustrating. Some of us are working in very hostile environments in which the 17,000 salary cannot sustain us in these tough economic times.
We are not seeing anything to do with hardship allowance. These teachers are operating in extreme, very hard working conditions with hardships. We want the government to introduce hardship allowance also to their salaries.
JSS teachers are going through a lot. Others are in very insecure areas, and some of them comes from very far places. They've never been there, and then they are all engaged in contracts. Then again, the government wants to renew the contract. That is a very, I don't know how I can turn